Take a ride in the 2021 Challenger. Rated most appealing midsize sports car by J.D. Power and Associates, the Dodge Challenger delivers on style and performance. It's powerful, practical, and efficient. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, remote keyless entry, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, front license plate bracket, electronic stability control, brake assist. Come see the car for yourself.